Hello beautiful people of the internet. It's a wet, cold, rainy day in England, but to brighten things up for you, I've recently had 3 new items sent to me by 3 different companies. The one I'm going to show you now, I will be doing an unboxing video in the next few days and we'll show all the practicalities on it. And I've got some great discount codes for you, my subscribers or my viewers, whether it be long-term subscriber, just subscribed or just popping in. The codes are there for you. Right, the first item, which I will, like I say, I'll showcase in a few days' time, is the Innovv P1 tyre inflator. Innovv have kindly sent me this. I've looked at other videos on this and it's a great bit of kit. You can use it as a battery bank. You can use it on Lilos, bicycles, footballs, motorcycle tyres, car tyres. You've got bar pressures, you've got PSI. The list goes on. So the code for this particular P1 on the Innovv website, you don't need a link for that, just go onto the Innovv website. My discount code for you is 10% off, but that sticks by any item on their website. So any item you're interested in on the Innovv website, if you type in the discount code at checkout TBCB10, that's TBCB10, that'll get you 10% off the Innovv website on any of their products which are on the site at that time. The other link I've got is for Amazon. For this is just for this particular item, and that is going to get you 20% off. So if you buy it on Amazon, you get 20% off this, and the discount code on that one is ISZZREV9. ISZZREV9. That'll get you 20% off the P1 tyre inflator on Amazon. It is Amazon UK, so if you're watching from elsewhere in the world, I'm not sure, but you can try the code. It may work for you. Hopefully it does. So if you want to stick around on the channel, give us a thumbs up. If you fancy subscribing, it costs you nothing. And then we will do the unboxing video on this one in a few days. We'll get it out, we'll show you exactly what it does. Thanks for watching.
My country biker.